Hello and welcome to Contactlenses-co-uk. Let's go over common contact lens problems and how to identify and fix them. Your contact lenses should be comfortable and settle very quickly after insertion. If you are experiencing discomfort or irritation upon insertion, then this could be due to a number of reasons, such as irritable deposits on your lenses, a nick or chip, or the lens being inside out. If you are experiencing irritability, it could be a damaged lens. If this is the first time this has happened, remove the lens and check that it is not damaged. Look for nicks, chips and damage. If this is the case, dispose of the lens and insert a new one. If you wear reusable lenses and your eyes have become increasingly irritated over the past few days, it could be that your lens has a buildup of allergens, dirt or bacteria. It is advisable to dispose of this lens and start with a new one. It's not uncommon to experience some dryness or itchiness on the removal of contact lenses after a day of wearing them. Try wearing your lenses for a little shorter each day. If the problem continues, make an appointment to see your optometrist. There are a variety of reasons why your contact lenses could be causing you to have an issue. We recommend if you are having any discomfort after a few minutes of insertion, you should remove the lens out of your eye and dispose of them. If the problem persists, please contact your eye care professional. Lost a lens in your eye? Don't panic. Here is how you remove it. You may find the use of re-wetting drops helpful. Put a few re-wetting eye drops into the affected eye, and then close the eye for a few seconds. You can massage the upper or lower eyelid, using your fingertips with your eye closed, to help the contact lens move to the center of the eye. Once in the center of the eye, the lens should be easy to take out. I'm sure you've been told many times not to sleep in your contact lenses, but let's face it, it happens. As soon as you realize you have slept with your lenses in, unless it's an extended wear lens, remove the lens and give your eyes a break. Don't wear lenses for at least 24 hours to give your eyes a chance to breathe and rehydrate. Most common contact lens problems are not serious and can be dealt with at home. However, there are some problems, if they persist, should definitely be checked out with your optometrist or your general practitioner. Thank you from all of us at Contactlenses-co-uk. Please leave a comment if you have any question or concerns, and we will get back to you.